it's like the resilience and belief are absolutely key here, and it's about framing in your mind. And I want to read you a segment from this really great book called Feel Free to Prosper. Quite a few would have heard of it. And one of the most important things you could be doing at the moment, like which will make an immediate impact on your life, is to change your words, because your words that you use have got tremendous power, because your unconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and what's made up. So if you're saying, and it can't process a negative. So if I say to you, do not think of a pink elephant doing cartwheels on your table, you have to think about it in order to not think about it. So that elephant's there on the table. So if you say, I don't want to worry about this, or I need to stop stressing, then you're telling your unconscious mind, I need to do more worry, I need to do more stress. So you have to be, there's certain words I want you to eradicate from your vocab. And I want you to share this with your team as well. So any negative comments, anything, it becomes a banned. This is the last time I'm ever going to say these two words. The corona, that is banned, and the word recession is banned from your vocab. Eliminate these words entirely from your vocabulary. Just stop saying it, stop writing it, stop feeding that message to your subconscious mind, which will only interpret it as an order. Stop mimicking mass mind thinking and media conversation. Forget the R word. Also, there will be situations that emerge that are beyond our control. Being beyond our control and remaining beyond our control are two different scenarios, as you're about to discover. So ultimately, it depends on where you direct your focus. You have to choose whether you're going to align yourselves with the mass mind thinking or take the path less traveled, which is on this prosperity journey, which is about actually what. And we keep asking, what's the opportunity here? How can we reframe this so that actually we can create good? We can create something really special. What's the opportunity here? So in the last recession, she talks about during that time whilst everyone was discussing how terrible business was, I refused to listen. Instead, I stuck my nose in my prosperity lessons, and without any other effort, a door opened that produced a miracle. So, go onto YouTube, look at stuff that interests you, like, the people that you follow, the Joe Dispenzas, the Marianne Williamsons, Louise Hayes, the Bob Proctors, whoever it is in your world, the yogis, you want to be feeding your mind with that type of approach. And you want to focus on what you want to happen, but it's not just focusing, it's about feeling it, which is why we're talking about meditation, why we're talking about yoga, why we're talking about exercising, why we're talking about going outside for a walk in nature. That changes your emotional state. And when your emotional state changes, your heart coherence is in order, that creates an energy around your body. And that energetic field, that's what then actually attracts matter. And this is why that recruiter got that thing through today, saying, pay us, we need to get rid of our budget, because his mindset, his emotions would have been in alignment with that. And so what this means for you is you've got to maintain your prosperity thoughts and place your reliance exclusively on an abundant universe that does not know scarcity or hard times. Those who have money to spend will then seek you out, but you must create the space in consciousness to receive them. So by having that heart coherence, by changing your emotions from fear, from lack, from scarcity into giving, into calmness, into peace, by changing the way you feel, that then opens consciousness, because basically what you're doing, you're connecting with consciousness where there is no lack, there is no scarcity. You have everything that you could ever possibly want to need. And the key to that is your emotion.